Hello everyone, welcome back to the Learn Up Another New AI video. In today's video I am going to show you how to transfer your art into a realistic image. Not only that, you can convert your 2D image to 3D with this AI. So without further ado, let's jump to the video. First, open a browser and search by typing Styler AI. Go to this first website. Click the Start for Free button. Now we need to create an account. You can create an account with your email and Google. Now they will ask you some general questions and you have to answer them. Okay, this is the dashboard of Styler AI. These are image styles, we'll get into details about them a little later. Okay, to continue our process, click the new project. After coming here you will see some options on the left side like Import Image, Text to Image, Image to Image, Generative Fill, Generative Expand, Face Swap, Face Repair and Enhance. Since I will be creating an image from an image, I need to select it. Okay, first let's upload an image. To upload an image, click here or drag here. Now click Image to Image. Okay, first select a style. Here you will find many image styles, you can choose the one you like. I am selecting 3D rendering. Then enter a prompt. You can manually enter prompts if you want, or you can click Auto Prompt to generate prompts automatically. I would suggest you create the auto prompt from here. Okay, click here to generate an auto prompt. And wait a few seconds. Look at this prompt, how perfectly it creates a prompt. You can generate perfect prompts from an image with it. Okay, let's move on to the next step. Structure match. Select here how closely you want to create the image with your uploaded image. I want an exact match, so I drag it to the end. Turn this on if you want to create face matching images from your uploaded image. Okay, next, advanced. If you want you can write a negative prompt here. But this time I'm skipping it. Okay, once everything is done, click Stylerize to create the image. And wait a few seconds, it will take some time to generate an image. And here is the final result. If you are not satisfied with these images, you can recreate them by clicking Stylize again. Click the download icon to save any image to your device. Or you can double-click this image to add it to the canvas. Okay, let's try another image. I am uploading another image. Now click on Auto Prompt to create a new prompt. I'm just changing its style. Now click Stylize button. Thank you for watching this video, hope you like it. If so, please give the video thumbs up and subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any AI related videos. And don't forget to comment if you have any problem or opinion. Okay, see you soon in another new AI video. Until then, stay well, stay healthy, goodbye.